everyone, my name is Plaisted with Plaisted Companies, and today we're excited to have the Pumpkin King himself and horticulture expert, Travis.
Thank you for having me.
So Travis will be stopping by for a few videos related to horticulture and growing. On today's tip, Travis, say I go to the store and I buy an array of vegetable plants and seeds. What do you think would be the best practices for us to grow those?
Well, and you can grow plants in any sort of dirt, but if you really want to get after it, I would recommend a good organic soil, one that's light and airy, that still retains a degree of moisture and has some nutrients to it. Soil is basically composed of three different things. You've got sand, silt, and clay. So any degree of that. I like to see a decent amount of sand in there for drainage. You start getting into that clay category, that silt category, suddenly you're gonna, with all the rain that we've been having, you're gonna get some high moisture contents in there. So I wanna see some good drainage, as well as, you know, the clay will hold a lot of nutrients, but it doesn't also drain very well.
Sure.
So yeah, and then pH wise, everything tends to fall in like that 6.8, most plants like, because when you look at your pH scale, the nutrients become available at that 6.8 level.
So as you mentioned, Travis, I mean, these plants can grow in just about any type of soil, right? But what makes some of our soils even better for root growth and different things?
Yeah, so when you go pick up your vegetables, you're looking for a few things. One is you want a nice light soil. Okay, this is going to make your roots just penetrate right down and through. Another couple things that are in here, we've got some perlite in here, we've got some peat in here, some compost. Basically your biology can grab onto this wood ash stuff or this wood fiber and break it down and really start the whole decaying process, and your roots just love it. But this peat will hold 100 times its weight in water. So there's your water retention, and then the perlite will offer some drainage.
Awesome. So there you go. Take the next step. Buy some better soils for your plants.